Hi, my name is Shane O'Sullivan, and this video demonstrates a new application that I've written for the Palm Pre smartphone called Flickr Addict. Flickr Addict is a simple to use application that gives you an almost limitless supply of cool new backgrounds for your phone every day. So you just install it and it will automatically download great new images every day and rotate them regularly. It's available now from the Palm app catalog. So whether you're a hardcore user of the Flickr.com photography website, or you just want amazing backgrounds that rotate and download with zero effort at all, then Flickr Addict is for you. The website Flickr.com is the most popular site on the internet for people to share photos, and every day it selects the best uploaded photos of the day, what Flickr calls interesting photos. By default, Flickr Addict downloads these each day and shows them as your background. So you see here, you can choose how many photos you want to use every day, 1, 3, 10, so on. Let's say we choose 10 for the moment. You can also choose how often you want the background changed, 5 minutes, an hour, 6 hours, or just once per day. We just choose an hour here. You can also choose when you want the new photos to download. For example, you might want them to download late at night when you're at home and you can use your Wi-Fi. And you can also choose whether you want photos to stretch to fit the screen or whether they should simply be centered just as you would on your normal laptop. For people who are a bit more familiar with Flickr, there's some advanced options we can use. You see here the interesting photos is checked, as it by default it is downloaded. There's also a Flickr group that specializes in designing wallpapers for iPhone and Palm Pre screens called iPhone Wallpapers. Simply tap the checkbox to download these. If you are a Flickr member yourself, or you are a fan of a particular Flickr user's work, you can schedule their photos for download just by tapping the add link here. Enter their username, say I'll put in my own one. However, maybe I don't want to show all my photos. Maybe I only want to show them from a particular photo set. So you just choose show photos from a photo set. Let's say I'll just pick my favorites here. Tap favorites and save it. You'll see here then that it downloads my information, downloads an icon, shows it. You can also search all of Flickr's photos for things called tags, otherwise known as keywords. So here, let's say you want pictures of a dog. And now you get all the latest pictures of dogs or whatever you happen to be interested in. If you want to look at the images that have been downloaded previously, just click on the gallery option here. You see here we have 10 photos that have been downloaded. If you want to pick a particular photo to use as your background, just hit the save button in the bottom left here. If we just get out of this for a second, you'll see now that it's been set as your background. The center button here, when tapped, goes to the Flickr page for that image. You see here it is loading. And if you want to refresh all the photos that have been downloaded, you simply tap the refresh button in the bottom right here. You see here it's downloading the images one by one. Of course, if you don't press this, the images will still download automatically themselves at the time at which you've chosen. The images are almost downloaded here now. So now we have some different images. Of course, they haven't changed too much since the settings have remained mostly the same. We have a picture of the dogs here, like we said. So that's pretty much it. The Flickr Addict is available now from the Palm app catalog. So I hope you enjoy using it.